It's thunderstorming. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's raining. And a ton of sounds are from there. Like thunderstorms. A tornado might just form or something. Because hot air is colliding with cold air. It's strong air. It's very strong. So it probably creates a tornado. But it's good that I think those walls can resist something like that. Like a tornado or something. Pure concrete. It's just a small crack. I really tried. Yeah, those small cracks are because of the building. But you can see it's pure brick and concrete and cement. And we're gonna wait for a thunderstorm. It's actually very loud. Pretty calming. Yeah, we're just gonna watch a thunderstorm for a few minutes. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave y'all with the thunderstorm. I'm gonna wait for it. And that's a powerful rain. Nothing too much. It's just what a daily rain. It rains like this every day. And oh wait. Oh, y'all saw that? No way. And that caused an earthquake. And y'all saw, and y'all heard it. It's actually loud. That was a pure earthquake. No way. Yo, this is how loud it really is. Look at this. It's some type of... Yo, look at this. It's the type of rain that puts pure ice. No, this is no. Okay. Here, back. So, here I'm just going to watch this for a little. I'm just bored. So I just made this video. It's raining pretty hard. Let's see, is the car damaged? I can see from here if the car, and there's no damages. I'm just walking. Now, we're in a countryside village, and we don't have much technology. I mean, we have roads, electricity, but other than that, nothing. I mean, most of the things, like my phone, are from a city. By the way, if you're wondering where it happens, it's happening in Romania. Yeah, I live in Romania. Salutare. Oh no. Oh, just turned out a Romanian accent. Oh no. shake. And 3, 2, 1, more. Yep, a small shake. Y'all just watch this calm rain. It's not really that aggressive. Like it can just turn, not like it can tear down a small tree. One of them is already leaning, and my dog is scared for his life. He's probably hiding somewhere. I cannot. I know he's outside. He's an outside dog. We try to get him in the house, but he wouldn't just go. And we always try to get him in, but no. So he's an outsider. Y'all hear this? Hear this? Oh, thunder. Close the door, because it's just gonna wake up the whole house. No, absolute way. It stopped or something. I hope it isn't a weekly rain like before. Something looks like a tornado, but it just looks like a tornado forming somewhere. There really can't be a tornado. Oh, another thing. Now, those walls aren't that weak. They're not made of cardboard and paper on the inside, and some sort of dirt on the outside, like American houses. No, this one's made of pure brick and concrete, but no offense to y'all Americans. And I think it sucked. Okay, everyone, it lasted 4 minutes, 7 minutes. It just started raining. And while filming another video, on a vlog, I actually tried to go outside to show y'all the thunder, but yeah, y'all can see the street, but it just started raining. And then y'all can see those trees are starting to lean a bit. My dog is in the dog house, is right there. I have one cat, one of them is the cat. Those cars are okay. The tree, the big mighty tree is okay. The thunder is going crazy. The thunder is going crazy. It's a Monday day. It's a Monday. Okay. Oh, from all of this yapping, I have lost my voice a little. So yeah, yapping. Oh well. Seems like it will go away soon enough. So y'all, hope y'all have enjoyed the rain, because it's starting again. Oh, my yogurt just fell down. Oh. It was already empty. I ain't gonna make any sound. I'm gonna just let y'all how much space I have left. because I'm gonna go watch Korokenshin. Alright. When it starts raining, I'll get the phone. Spray around so we can hear. Okay, the next thunder, I'm gonna just get y'all out of there. Put my headphones. It's still not plugged. Oh wait, forgot to update. Just stop breathing. I couldn't see. Maybe because there's a huge roof. It's actually a huge roof. I just realized how huge it was. It's actually bigger than it should be. Oh. Yo, I don't think I have more space just to film. Yeah, just a few minutes left. Goodbye, y'all.